This is very fundamental question in paging scheme that uses TLB, translation look aside buffer. Coming to the question, a page scheme uses TLB. A TLB access takes 10 nanoseconds and main memory access takes 50 nanoseconds. What is the effective access time in nanoseconds? If the TLB hit ratio is 90% and there is no page fault, there is no page fault in the sense the entire process pages are available in the main memory, so we don't want to bring the process which are located in a hard disk. This means we don't need, no swapping is needed, no swapping. So this is a in this case we have having two scenarios. One is whenever the page entry is found in the TLB, and whenever the page entry is not found in the TLB. Let me explain by some diagrams. Here is the TLB, here is the main memory. TLB is an associative memory, you can think it of as a cache memory. So TLB and main memory. Whenever there is an entry which is present in the TLB, TLB generally contains the page entries which are referenced frequently. Like suppose if you think about the cache memory, in the cache we place the instructions that are executed frequently, like loop instructions. The same way, TLB contains the page entries that are frequently referenced. So now the TLB, whenever the hit happens, the CPU generates logical address. It first looks upon the TLB, and the if the TLB entry was matched, it is called hit, and from the TLB entry it directly goes to frame, and the element or the page is accessed. This is a one scenario when the hit in the TLB, and another scenario is when there is mess in the TLB. As usually CPU generates some logical address, and it looks for the TLB. In the TLB the entry is not found, and it comes to main memory. In the main memory it first looks at the page table. As we have already seen, there is no page fault, the page should be in the main memory, and I'm assuming this is a single level page table. So we look at the page table and we access the particular frame. So the effective access time is time taken for the case 1 plus time taken for the case 2. So 90% of the time hit ratio. It means so for to access TLB it takes 10 nanoseconds, and one access time for the 50 nanoseconds to access the frame, and plus 10% of the time it fail, like miss access. So to search TLB it takes 10 nanoseconds, and we need to search the page table, for that access the main memory, And one thing should remember is the page table process is also is also be in the main memory along with the process. And for looking the page table it took 50 nanoseconds, and for looking the frame again it takes 50 nanoseconds. So totally this is the time effective access time.